B, I got a question for ask you, man.
Oh God, here we go again.
And I want you to be really, really honest with me, right? Not because he is a woman, but I just want you to be honest with me, right?
What question is the man?
What I want to ask is that you think that man supposed to give a woman money?
Right?
Do you really think that man supposed to they give a woman money?
Man supposed to give woman money.
Because I don't think man supposed to they give a woman money.
Like something wrong with you. Were you asking this question like if you want to give me money, you want to give me money also? Eh? Hi.
Man, well, it will happen, right? Because after today, I don't want to give you money no more. Because I will. We don't have the 1200 story and them things get it, but I want to give you money no more.
Shut, boss. Look.
Because I don't think it's right for a man to give him one more money.
Don't let me get around.
You said me.
Don't let me
I
get around.
don't think it's right on.
Stop telling me stupidness.
What I'm going to explain to you now is that, you know, that you should understand
Stop telling me. I don't tell you one thing.
that each woman in the world too should understand that a man ain't supposed to be giving them money.
Before, I a different woman.
Right?
I a different woman, you know.
You
Stop
get
it.
me?
Alright.
What we ain't get around for, what we ain't really get around for, you tell me because when you put it over this face, right? He's a Christian woman, he's got church.
So, yes. So what I gotta do with it?
And he's going and they're praying unto it. He's going and they're praying, you know, for keep with evil and them think they ain't want this evil spirit and all them think they're attacking you, right?
So I spray and so I pray for money and whatnot.
Isn't that true? He's got churches pray for, you know, let God keep you away from evil and them think they ain't want evil attacking you and all those things, right?
Spray and what's not. So what money gotta do with it? Eh? What money gotta do with it?
So you want to know what money God with it?
Tell me, shy boss, what money gotta do with it? Tell me. Can you always come up with all these question? Tell me what God do with it.
Hey, what money God with it? I always stop giving you money. Come on, God, stop giving one more money in this life, yes, right? Because hey, you know, right? Yes, go church. Yes, pray. Yes, pray for evil, don't sketch and all these things, right? And money is the root of all evil.
Now you
Money is the root of all evil.
eh? The root of money is evil.
Are you praying for keep away evil spirit and everything away? Pray for the spirit of money. Don't get you.
Says the love of money is
Come on, go and stop giving your money because money is the root of all evil.
when you love money, that is the root of all evil.
And me want your evil spirit attack you. Me want the spirit of money attack you. So, man, now give you money. I now give you money.
You interpreted wrong. Okay? Well, you stop giving me money.
Come money is the spirit of all evil. You said to me, so after today, you wouldn't be getting no money.
And you see the difference. You go on going on.
Because you're praying to keep evil away from you. So there's what money got to do with it.
You go on going on. You stop it. You stop it, Chama, so you can see.
Right? So man ain't supposed to give him one more money, and man ain't gotta give one more money.
You stop letting the money come. You can see.
But I know the love of money is not evil. The root of money is evil. So you pray to keep the evil, and money is the root of all evil. So you want to try if your money and come, you come become money is the root of all evil. Hey, you right telling you? Good. So everybody now, people, like, comment, subscribe, and share. You don't know, share with a friend and share with family. Encourage a friend to tell a friend to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You don't know. Watch out for more new videos. See you on the next video. One love. Peace out. You don't know.